Today we're going to be taking a look at the Audio Remix tool. Now this is a tool that allows you to basically extend and remix a song all within Premiere Pro without doing anything else, just using this one tool. Now this tool is mainly for like music without vocals, just like instrumental, like beat music. So we're going to show you how it works. Just going to drag a track on here. This is from the YouTube audio library. As you can see, here is our track. So all we're going to want to do to extend this is we're just going to go over to the third icon down. I've obviously just been using the remix tool, so it's there already pre-highlighted. When you click that, it's probably going to be on Ripple, and you just have to click down to remix. Now once you're there, all you want to do is you'll see this icon when you go to the end of the track. It's just extend the track like so. So you just want to extend it like about another minute. As you can see, it was pretty fast there. We'll zoom out of it on our timeline. And as you can see where these waves are on the track, that is where the software has decided that would make a good point for extending the track. Also, you get this little panel pop up on the side saying essential sound. You can dig into that more if you want, but to be honest with you, it works pretty well enough just doing it this way, so we're just going to close that panel down. We can also try it with another song, so if we just delete this song. So the main idea behind it is that it basically analyzes the song and picks where the software thinks it would be best to extend it. So if we try it again now, you're going to see sometimes it takes some time to do it, so it's analysing the song, and it's going to just give it some time, and there you go. Down, you're going to see that there is where. So we just we'll try and play a bit of this for you. We'll just turn the volume down a bit. If it's picking up on the mic, you can hear where it just kind of like repeats a certain segment of the beat, and it's going to keep doing that. So that's basically what it does. It's a very useful tool for extending a song if you just got a video it's just a bit shorter than you wanted it to be. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.